Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're off-roading in my Tacoma. Yep. But first, I'm gonna get some gas actually. So I'm gonna drive down to the gas station real quick. Do my thing, literally. I just bought this new truck and I like it. Nice truck. It rides smooth too. Well, let's turn here. That's the ice cream station. I might as well go there one day. Not today, one day. Someday. Oh, gas station right there. Maybe I should go visit Greenville on something. Maybe just go down there and, drive around. But I gotta off-road here, so I'm gonna do that. Jeez, I'm talking quietly. Pull it up. Now let's go. Stop here, look both ways. Yeah, I'm gonna just do this extra. Put my blinker. Look both ways again. Skip me. See, come on, what's an apple, baby? I can do this. I've got it. Jeez. Where's this awful truck going on? Oh, I forgot to speak on my car. I just love my new truck. It's actually a base model, actually. I can't believe it. It's still actually pretty nice. Oh, turn right up here. This little ice skate. Turn here. Turn here. Gotta open up these gates. Push is open. Push is open. I don't know how hard these trails are because I haven't been back here in a bit actually. Oh, okay, damn. Why am I saying damn? This is not even hard to my truck. Oh yeah, and I got the all-wheel drive version. It is used though, so I don't think I got the all-wheel drive version. Whoever bought it got the all-wheel drive version. But this is a nice truck. Got everything. We'll hit the ice. Revving it. Ooh. I ain't gonna go out there. I'm gonna go hit the actual hard one. The hard trail. The rough terrain ahead trail. That's a little bump. Oh, that didn't happen. That didn't happen, dude. Can my truck even get up here? I mean, I know my truck can. It's just this truck. I don't know if this truck can get up here. And I don't want to smash my new car. I might have to use my driving skills. Oh god. Reverse. Get the brakes. Drive. Floor it. I don't want this truck to get in front of me because I don't want to get crashed. I'm just going to floor it up here. Dang, well, this truck does it great. Oh, looks like someone's doing their stuff there. Cut a little bit. Over here. I know. Alright, looks like people are having a little meetup here. It's kind of cool. Whip a turn, Jesus. Hard kind of off-roading in this truck. I mean, it's not hard, but it's just like, blah, blah, blah. I'm thinking about buying a new car because I love my new truck and stuff, but it's like, it gets okay gas mileage, like 17, but I'm just trying to look for a daily to go on the new town Hornet, and, this truck it isn't a big truck at all. It's a Tacoma. It's not like it's giant. I was looking at a Tundra, but that's just too big. This car, perfect size, but it's just this truck. It's just it does fit in my garage and stuff. The Tacoma, the Tundra, actually wasn't even gonna fit in my garage actually. And yeah, so I was thinking, so I got the Tacoma, but it doesn't get the best gas mileage, and it's a truck. So what was I expecting? You know? Oh, a little off-road test here. Oh, come on, Tacoma. I know you can do it. Light work. Okay, let's see. I want to go up here and see if this car can make it. I mean, I know it can. I might as well rally it. I can rally this stuff. It is a rally truck, actually. Flooring it. Oh, this has some good pickup for some reason. Uphill, it's better. Let me turn on my traction control. Skiddy, let's skiddy. Oh, that didn't happen either. Oh my god, we hit the bumps. I'm surprised, and this thing feels like a Bugatti right now. It's fast. This thing pumps. It ain't fast, but it's like kind of quick for what it is. Oh dang, power delivered. That stinks to. That stinks to. Hey, automatic braking. I was thinking about going down there, but do I really want my truck to exist anymore? No. I'm thinking about getting a trailer. I think I have one. It's just at my grandma's. I don't know why it's at my grandma's. I think I'm gonna go. What should I do? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna put this some stuff. I got some boxes in the trunk. Not the trunk. I mean, not the bed. I have some boxes in the back seat. So from Christmas, because I got like ornaments and stuff in there, so pretty late, right? I just have been doing a lot, so I can't take down the ornaments as much. So I'm gonna go put them in my storage real quick. Turn here. Or not, actually. Oh no, I have to turn here. Still stupid. I just kept driving. My storage is right there. Backing up. Gets the boxes, puts in here. We good now. Let's get back in the truck and I'll get on the drive. I think I'm gonna clean this, but later. I don't really care right now. It's not like it's destroyed or anything. I'm gonna turn up here. Gas. I'm gonna. Oh, okay, yeah. Gas. I just got home. Boom, shakalaka. Where are these losers doing in my yard? Yells out window. Get out of my yard! Parked here. Bye, guys. This is gonna be the end of the video, actually. Bye, guys. See you. Oh, sorry about that. Bye, guys. See you in a different video. Like, subscribe, comment down below, whatever you want. Not me, though.